Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use Pro Mode camera in Samsung A55 5G. So for using this feature, guys, first of all, you have to go to camera here and then comes to more option. Here on the very first, we have Pro Mode. So just tap on a Pro Mode and you guys can use the Pro Mode feature like this. We can also set up the ISO as you guys see here, and talking about the speed. So yes, we can also set up this feature. If you want to use autofocus, so you can tap on the autofocus, and if you want manual focus, so you can tap for manual focus here. Guys, we have also a white black feature, like we can do a white or black picture at the time of capture. So that's how guys we can use a Pro Mode. Let me show a sample. Okay, I am changing it into autofocus. As you guys see, if I manage the white and black, so the color of the picture is now changed. Okay, I've captured two pictures, and or as you guys see, the difference between the two pictures is of color. Like this picture is of high ISO and WB, and this picture is normal. So that's how guys we can use a Pro Mode in Galaxy A55 5G. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.